as you might know, I was a guest at the Panasonic press conference today, and well, they just gave us a little gadget as their way to say thanks, I presume, for being there. So we all got, or all the journalists and bloggers over there got Pocket Cam, the HM-TA1. I'm going to unbox it and well, just show you a quick overview of the device. So it comes in a fairly colorful box. Okay. And it comes with, well, a bunch of manuals and customer registration documents. But then, okay. So, the device we got at MobileRaiders.com is a blue one. I need to get it out of the box. So as you can see, it's a fairly nice pocket cam, which actually will be shooting in full HD. I'll look into that just in a minute. In the box we can also find a simple AV cable, so you can plug it in directly to your television set. We've got a USB cable for syncing and charging. There's a strap, always handy when you're outdoors. And of course the battery. Take it out. So the battery, just going to see what's on here. Well, the battery is a 940 milliamps one. So I'm going to put it into the device right now. So the device itself has a slot here, so I'm going to put that right in here. So as you might see, there's a slider here on the bottom of the device. Sliding it just makes the USB port built in come out. There's also a port on the upper side of the device, and that's of course our AV port or jack, or however you want to call it. Here we go. So that's just a small port over there. Just going to close it back again. Okay. And let's power this little thingy on. And here we have it. So this thing can record 1080p video, but it got some nice features. So as most pocket cams, you can also just take pictures. But as you can see, the picture quality isn't, well, it isn't super. Video quality, however, well, it's pretty darn good, I would say. And seeing no lag, it's all fairly sharp, at least on the small display of the device itself. So let's play. And as you can see, okay, so no need to hear myself say the same thing twice. So furthermore, there's a simple menu on the device. Let's go into the menu. There we have some pictures. This is one of the big, I don't know if you can see it on this screen, but well, the picture quality, it ain't bad for a quick shoot in emergency situations, but you won't be shooting any portraits with it soon. One of the nicest features on this little pocket cam is actually the fact that it includes a light. So if you're in a darker situation and you want to shoot video, not that it's necessary here, but as you can see, this part is rather dark. I can simply press this button and guess what? We get a light. And actually it's a fairly potent, fairly strong light, as you can see, and it will allow people to shoot some rather good quality video in dark situations. Of course it will drain your battery a bit faster. There's also a built-in software application on the device itself, so if you connect it to any computer, just simply can use that application to edit your videos before uploading it to YouTube or Facebook or whatever. So overall I'm rather impressed by this device. It seems rather great, feels good. It's priced in Europe for a retail price of about 129 euros. So if you're in the market for a new pocket cam, this one might actually be really worth checking out, especially with the addition of the light. So pocket cams are great, but they usually suck at recording things in the dark. The Panasonic HM-TA1, this is fairly nice device here, tries to rectify things by just adding this light, and personally I think it's a great addition. It's certainly worth taking a look at. This was it. I want to thank Panasonic Benelux for, well, simply giving us this device. We will take it to CeBIT and we'll test it there some more, and you'll see some nice pictures and videos from our trip to CeBIT in the coming couple of days. Until then, bye.